Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at this very rare Looney Tunes Bugs Bunny watch, which dates back to approximate 1960s or 1970s. As you can see on the dial, the colors of Bugs Bunny look very old compared to 90s or early 2000 Looney Tunes watches. So this one has a very interesting patina as well. As we can see, there is a small difference between the center of the dial and the exterior. That usually happens due to light exposure or different other things. The watch is mechanically powered, and from the side we can see that the hour, so the hour hands, the minute and the hour hands are actually the hands of Bugs Bunny. That is a very common theme that was usually found in watches between 1930s to 1980s. So on all those vintage character watches such as Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, this one as well, they had the moving hands. And I will try to change the hour first so that you can see that in real time. As we can see, the second hand already started to move. That is a very good sign for the movement. Now we will press the crown back in and wind it a little. And as you can see, the watch is in very good working condition. This is part of a very old collection in which we found a lot of mechanical watches. All of them seem to be working very beautifully. That means that they either belong to a watch collector, maybe a watch dealer, a watchmaker, or somebody that really kept his watches in good shape and in very good maintenance. So these watches were very cared for. We have placed the watch on an NATO strap, a very simple one that comes with the gold buckle so that it matches the case. And if you're interested into buying this watch or any other mechanical watches from that time period, please make sure to follow the link in the description below or go to vintageradar.com. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we will be posting almost daily a new video. And make sure to comment, like this video, share it if you like it. So until next time, see you guys, all the best.